everyone. So there is officially only 2 weeks left until I take off for the AT. I'm kind of just getting all of my stuff together and finished out here in Denver in these 2 last weeks, but I figured I'd check in and let you know kind of where I'm at with being ready for flying to Atlanta. Starting to test out gear and yeah, just kind of feeling it out. I was supposed to get my Tyvek ground cloth on Friday was when it was supposed to arrive, and it got swiped off the front porch by porch pirates, which is fine. I kind of think it's funny picturing them bringing it home and getting all excited and opening it and finding literally a sheet of cloth. But that's getting resent, so I should have that hopefully tomorrow. Apart from that, I might replace my Z-Lite sleeping pad. I'm kind of thinking about that at the moment, not because I want something different, but just because I've used it on the PCT and the Colorado Trail, and according to Zach, when it starts to get like molded down and compressed like that, it loses a lot of its warmth.
Okay.
Do you think that sleeping pad is going to make it all the way through the Appalachian Trail, or do you think you're going to have to replace it?
No, it's made
Is
for
that
the
from
PCT and the Colorado Trail.
Get a new one.
Why?
Because it's going to be cold.
No, well, so it's not warmer. I would say if you like that pad, I would say just get a new one of those. They're pretty cheap. But and you're a lot lighter than I am, so I probably go through them much faster. But you start to lose the.
Oh shoot.
Like.
So when I hold it flat, it's kind of just, you can see like where I strap it to my pack, and that it's kind of just like gotten squished a bunch. Just over time, and so for the sake of warmth I might replace this, but it's not really top priority right now just because I've already got one. I don't really want to. And then the other thing I'm going to be doing is I have this box, and this box is going to be full of things that I'm just going to mail this all home to my mom, and then if I need any of it at any point on trail, I can send home something to her and she can send me back one of these. So I've got shorts. These are the ones I wore on the PCT and the Colorado Trail. Windbreaker. My cup. Love this thing. Backup water filter just in case. And I have a lighter base layer for when it gets to be summery and I can start sending home all of the warmer things. Bedrocks if I want to add camp shoes. Got a backup stove because I'm bringing the BRS. You'll see it in my gear video. It's just like a tiny 1 ounce stove. I got a lot of, try not to curse in these. I've got a lot of, what's another word for that? Comments. I've gotten a lot of comments about my BRS stove because it's like a tiny 1 ounce stove made in China and people don't trust it, but I actually love it and I used it on every hike I did of the Colorado Trail. And so I'm bringing it, but this is a backup just in case it breaks. And then backup tent stakes, which are stuck to something. Micro spikes, I don't think I'll need those. Got like an extra layer of pants, extra rain pants, and my Ghost Whisperer just in case any gear tears or rips, or I just want something because everything else in here is going into storage. I'm like in the middle of moving pretty much my whole life into storage for now, and yeah, once it's in there people won't be able to send it to me. So this is kind of just in case I need gear. I've gotten this box together. I'm gonna go pick up my sleeping bag today. I was lucky enough to get added as a brand ambassador for Katabatic gear, and they are making me the Flex 15 quilt, which is a 15-degree quilt, but everyone I've talked to has just kind of hyped how good they are with their temperature ratings. So I'm really excited for that because obviously the warmth part is the one thing that I have been stressing over. Right now I have moved most of my furniture in storage, no longer have a bed frame, no longer have a dresser, no shelves, no posters, no nothing, just me and my mattress. So my flight leaves in 2 weeks. I'll be flying into Atlanta, going straight from there to Amicalola, and taking off from the approach trail.